Iman Gadzhi went from a small SMMA YouTuber to arguably the biggest make money online YouTuber out there, making over $100 million in the process. And apart from the fact that he has a crazy life story, the secret behind his success was his YouTube content strategy. Now, I was fortunate enough to attend a private mastermind in Dubai where Iman's old head of content gave us a presentation. In this presentation, he gave us all the source and secret strategies they use to grow to 5 million subscribers and make 9 figures in revenue in just a couple of years. So in this video, I will go through each of these strategies that Iman Gadzhi used, so you can just apply all this knowledge to grow your personal brand on YouTube and use it to scale your business. Let's dive in. Now, the first point that I will touch on is actually one of the most important ones. So it's about getting crystal clear about your goal. Iman's head of content started the presentation with this, and this is the foundation for everything else that I will talk about in this video. You need to know what personal brand you want to build. So you might be asking, like, what are the different types of personal brands? So here they are. The first one is mass appeal. So this is, for example, Mr. Beast, who's focused on just like mass entertainment, targeting literally everyone. After that, there's general audience, which is the middle ground between entertainment and niche content. For example, Iman Gadzhi's main channel is one of these. After that, we have broad niche, which is focused on one specific niche, but that niche is more broad. For example, Mark Tilbury, who's focused on finance, which is like obviously one niche, but that's pretty broad. After that, we have targeted niche. So that's when you target a small and specific niche. A good example for that is Iman Gadzhi's business channel. In that channel, he's really focused on just business owners who are already making 6 or 7 figures and they want to scale to the next level with content, YouTube, etc. And then you have hyper niche channels. These are the most targeted form of content that appeals to a really small audience. Here's one guy I put here for example. He optimizes conversion rate for e-commerce stores, I think. And this is just like a good example for a really hyper niche personal brand. Now, if you're a business owner who's looking to book calls and get clients from YouTube, your channel should probably be 4 or 5. So either the targeted niche or the hyper niche. Now, in rare cases, you can also go with a broad niche. If you have already a personal brand, let's say on Instagram, and you just want to transition to YouTube, that can be a good alternative. But if you're starting from zero, kind of with your personal brand, but you still like want to book calls and get clients from it, then the fourth one and the fifth one is the best option for sure. This is crucial to understand because this will dictate literally everything. The type of topics you have to create videos about, the video packagings, the information you share in the videos, the editing style, etc. Now, once you have that, it's also important to understand how to optimize for the right metrics, because according to Iman, this is the biggest mistake people make on YouTube. The mistake is that most people optimize for the wrong metrics, so either views or subscribers. But as a business owner, you should be optimizing for only one thing, which is leads. Like, obviously, you want to use YouTube to make more money, not to become famous or be a huge audience. You want to actually generate leads, book calls, and make more money. So this means creating videos that only attract your ideal clients, not trying to go viral, forgetting vanity metrics like views or subscribers, and also rigorously tracking lead flow and seeing what converts the best and then doubling down on that. Now, the next one is the 3-to-1 rule. This is the exact content strategy Iman used to make over $100 million from his personal brand. He explains it a bit more in depth in this video, but I thought I would just summarize it for you and save you a bunch of time. So how it works is that you upload 3 growth videos and then you upload 1 nurture video to your channel, and you just keep repeating that. So like 3-to-1, 3-to-1. Now, growth video is your top of funnel content. You focus on attracting new people with these types of videos, and these videos will also appeal to a broader audience. For example, if you're a dropshipping coach, like these videos will probably be like, why dropshipping is the easiest way to make $10,000 per month, or 8 best dropshipping products to sell in 2025. These kind of more broad videos, easier to consume videos. Then for nurture videos, this will be your middle or bottom of funnel content. With these videos, you focus on nurturing and converting your already existing audience that you've attracted with the growth videos. These will be more niche videos and also more value-packed videos. So to stay with the same example, you're a dropshipping coach. This can be like free Shopify dropshipping course 2025, how I made $8 million with dropshipping, my story. So like the first one is obviously a more like valuable, longer, harder to consume, but like much more valuable video. And the second one is about your story. So you'll be a trust with your existing audience, which helps a lot when you want to actually sell something to them. Now, following this 3-to-1 ratio will help you grow at a nice pace while also consistently converting your audience into buyers. The next strategy is video chain. So this is the method Iman used to turn his YouTube into a flywheel where each of the videos compound. He calls it the video chain, and this basically means that at the end of each video, he sends people to another relevant video that they should watch. You can see an example here. So this was a video about like 7 steps to unfuck your life. And you can see that the first line in the description is a link to one of his other videos. So he's just keeping viewers in the cycle and creating this huge flywheel. How this works is that you, for example, have one video which is a growth video, you attract new people into your content ecosystem. Then from that video, you send them to another video, which can be a nurture video. And from that, you can even send them to another nurture video. And you can see how this cycle just constantly gets people into your funnel and also nurtures them. What this does is that viewers will spend much more time watching your videos. YouTube will reward you for that and push your videos out more. You will also nurture people easier, and each video just compounds on each other. So this will create the flywheel effect that I talked about. Another powerful strategy that you can use here is a YouTube VSL. So this is where you create one dedicated video to convert people for their offer. Then you send viewers from all of your other videos to that one video, and this will just turn your channel into a well-oiled sales funnel, because from all like the top of funnel or middle of funnel videos, you send people to that one bottom of funnel video, which will convert them. Iman actually made $20 million with one single YouTube VSL that he had. He broke that down in this video. Now, the next strategy is a process that was probably the main reason why Iman grows so fast on YouTube. This is called rehashing, which means that you're constantly creating and A/B testing thumbnails for your old videos. You can see an example here, one of Iman's A/B tests for the same exact video. So why is that important? You can have the best video in the world, but if people don't click on it, they'll never find out. And people clicking on your video or not only depends on the title and the thumbnail. So what Iman did is he built a team of multiple full-time thumbnail designers, and this team was entirely focused on creating new thumbnail variations for his old videos and constantly A/B testing them. Many times these thumbnail tests reignited the performance of old videos, and even if Iman didn't upload, he would still grow like crazy thanks to this strategy. So how you can apply this? You don't need to go like super crazy on this, especially because if you have a small channel, chances are that your old videos don't get that much traffic consistently. And in that case, you would just waste your time testing the thumbnail because your video doesn't get more impressions, it doesn't get more views, so there's no thing to test for, if that makes sense. So what I recommend is that for every video that you upload, if it underperforms in the first 24 hours, create a new thumbnail variation and test it. For this, you can either use YouTube's built-in ABC test feature or TubeBuddy. The next strategy is content siloing. So Iman has 4+ different YouTube channels right now. He has the main channel, Iman Gadzhi Extended, Iman Gadzhi Business, Iman Gadzhi Unscripted. So the reason why he does that is that he found that if you have one single channel for different types of audiences, the results will suffer on that channel. Imagine this, you create a niche channel talking about how to grow e-com brands to 7 to 8 figures. So with that, you build up an audience and you get a consistent flow of leads from that channel. And then you decide to pivot into teaching beginners on how to grow an e-com business and make $10,000 per month. The first audience was already established e-com business owners, and the second one will be just like teenagers or people who want to get into dropshipping or e-commerce. And once you start creating completely different videos because of the shift that you made, your channel will go to shit. This is because the audience that you built out were interested in your older types of videos and not the new ones. So in Iman's case, he has his main channel, and this is where he sells make money online courses and also his SMMA software. He also has his vlog channel where he mainly sells his eyewear, Gadzhi, the blue light blockers, and also his beverage company. He also has Iman Gadzhi Business, where he sells his licensing program for 6 to 7 figure entrepreneurs. And he also has Iman Gadzhi Extended, which is more focused on SMMA. So this is where he's still like selling his SMMA software. So how you can apply this? If you're selling multiple offers for different target audiences, make sure you don't just run everything on one channel. And the same goes for uploading shorts. The best is to just create a new channel for that as well. Now, obviously, there's a lot more going into using YouTube to grow your business like Iman and many other business owners do. And most people just fail because they don't have the expertise or the team behind them. So if you're serious about growing your personal brand and generating leads for your business with YouTube videos, and also having a team that does literally everything for you, from ideation to scripting, editing, thumbnails, SEO, scheduling, etc., then click the first link in the description and book a free call with me. I will take a look at your business and current content, explain how we would do it differently, and if we're a good fit to work together, I'll also explain how our service works exactly. So book your call down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.